Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create the user. Generally, as a Linux administrator, we get a request to create the users. So creating a users is a pretty simple, but I'll show you how to create a user, the customization. For example, we may get a request to create the user uh, with a user ID, so and so, and what are the primary groups the user should belongs to, and what are the secondary groups and what is the comment that the user we are going to give and directory and the shell. So these all are some specifications. Okay, so these specifications is create specification is added when the user is created. Okay, so these are the customizations. We can customize the user creation in user creation. Okay, so for example, what's the command? The command to create the user add Krish. Okay, so grep. Let's see whether Krish is exist or not. See, user is created. Okay, so this user ID 1006 and group ID and groups. These all are randomly. These all are created by the system. So we have no options. We have option, but when as soon as the user is created, the user ID and the groups and group ID is created. But when it comes to the customization, for example, I just want the user, let's say RAM. I just want the RAM user to have the user ID 1001010, and he should belongs to the group Unix team. This is the primary group, and the secondary group can be application, and is a directory. It can be a different directory, and the shell can be bin a CSH, and so like that. So these are the customization then we can create while creating the user. Okay, so how to create the user with customization? User add, okay, hyphen u is user ID. So 1010, I can give the user ID and group. Okay, so group uh, cat slash etc slash p. Okay, we have a app tip and a Unix tip. Okay, user add -u 1010, that is the user ID. Okay, the primary group is, see, -g is the primary group. The primary group I want him to be part of is Unix tip, and secondary group is capital G, hyphen capital G. So app team. So app team is the secondary group. Okay, now next is a directory. Okay, so directory slash 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 and hyphen m. Hyphen m is a make. Hyphen c is a comment. System user. Hyphen s bin sh. Username is ram. Okay, the username is already home directory already exists. Okay, so by default, even if you don't mention, the directory will take. Okay, Okay, see, if you see here, user ID 1010 and group ID 1001 Unix team, and what are the groups that he's part of? Unix team and app team. Okay, grep run /etc/passwd. So see, if you see, the RAM is created. So this is how the user is created with the customizations: user ID, group ID, group name, and directory, and comment, and as is shell. Thank you for watching.